In this video, I will show you how to change colors of Trello card. So first of all, you have to open up your Trello application. Now on the application's main interface, you will see all of your workspaces that you have either created or you are a part of. So you very simply have to select the workspace in which you want to change the color of a card. So for example, I will simply select this one. Now select the card of which you want to change the color. Now for example, I wish to change the color of this card. Now on this card, you will see all sorts of options, but what you have to do is that you simply have to scroll to the top, then an option will be visible that says cover. So you simply have to tap on that. Now from here, you can very easily change the color of your Trello card. So for example, if I wish to use grey color as my Trello card, I simply have to click on grey and tap on done. Once I tap on done, as you can see, now I have easily changed the color of my Trello card. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.